What's up, bratans? Welcome to today's Sunday's live stream. We see Bitcoin right now broke out of our ascending broadening wedge, which we spoke 3 days ago about. So we are heading to our price target of 54,000, 45,000, but we have a major resistance at 44,200. Everything for now looks amazing. So as we had here the breakout at 40,200, we made over 5% profits. I jumped even earlier into a trade, so I am right now here. You see my Bitcoin position and my FXS position. Wait a minute, I show you here. So wait a minute, my Bitcoin position is right now $4,000 in profits, and my FXS position is right now $17,000 in profits. On Binance, I'm on an e-gold long position, which is $10,000 in profits, and my FXS $1,000 in profits. So it looks amazing right now, and we see the overall market looks green today because Bitcoin is in a consolidation, and yesterday it even in the night pumped, so everything looks amazing. FTM 7.2%, Tau 11%, Beam 8.3%, AVAX 12%. So we see the usual coins which are pumping when Bitcoin is consolidating or pumping already. Therefore, I'm always telling it's the best if you go in coins which are already pumping in when Bitcoin consolidating or pumping. So you understand what I mean, yeah? Okay, so let us quickly go through the market. We see this weekly candle looks crazy. This weekly candle looks really amazing because it looks the bears the bulls are winning against the bears, as you see it here, and we are heading to our resistance 44,200. So expecting that Bitcoin will move another 3.7% at least. And if we are watching, we are going closely on the daily right now. We see we broke the daily 20 moving average. We broke this 5 months resistance line, which was previous support line. We broke it again to the upside, which is amazing. But I want to see that we close here this daily candle above this blue line. Then we broke all 3 resistance lines to the upside, which would be amazing. And the way is free to 44,200. And obviously, as soon as we're breaking 44,200, you see, by the way, at 44,200 here, major resistance also coming in. You see it here. It's crazy how much resistance coming in. And there's also volume coming in, and so on and so on. As soon as we break 44,200, in my opinion, the way could be free to the price target of around 60K. It would be 37%. If we are moving to 60K, this would be truly amazing, because not only Bitcoin would pump like crazy, but also we would see altcoins running to the upside. We see Bitcoin formed here a golden cross on the MACD, as you see it here. So this looks amazing. A golden cross. What I don't like right now, I don't like this bearish divergence, to be honest. So we are forming right now bearish divergence. You see the RSI is going up, but the price is going down. So this is what I don't like, but hopefully this is it's not confirmed yet, because if we see further pump to the upside and breaking 44,200, this bearish divergence will be not valid anymore, especially if we break 48K. So let's see if this works out. I hope not. I'm watching this closely, but I like here this golden cross and this green dot, which we spoke 3 days ago when I told you here. I told you here approximately 39K that we will see reversal to the upside. So if you took here this trade, you made 8% already profit. So this is amazing. Also, we had here this clear sign that at 52% we had the resistance line. We broke it to the upside, and now we are heading in this resistance field, which you see here, this green field. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and this is Bitcoin against all the other altcoins. And I hope we're breaking through this Bitcoin dominance, because if we're breaking through this Bitcoin dominance, then we are expecting the next price tag 54%, which would lead Bitcoin obviously to 44,200 and potentially 48 and 60k. On the total crypto market cap, it looks also amazing. We have here forming also here this golden cross, which you see here. So this is beautiful. This green dot we have still, and we are heading here to the resistance line at $1.6 trillion, so 4.6% still to go. So 44,200 is still in play in my opinion. But the question is, will we break 44,200? This is the major resistance. We have to break 44,200 in order to see Bitcoin moving to 50 or 60k. If we are watching oil, oil is very important to watch. Why? Because all your products are getting either more expensive or cheaper, and it all depends on oil, because the transportation to the supermarket of your PlayStation, for example, how it will be brought to your electro shop with a truck, with a plane, and so on and so on. So therefore, and what it needs fuel. So you have always to watch crude oil, and we see right now we're hitting a resistance. Hopefully oil will dump, because if oil is dumping, we see usually the whole market pumping. What I like is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 created an all-time high, and this is extremely bullish for the market. If we are watching here, we broke the all-time high. You see, this was our previous all-time high, so we broke it to the upside. This looks extremely bullish, and as soon as we're breaking the previous top and S&P 500 starts to run, we see usually Bitcoin following. But what we have to watch on Monday when the market opening again, that the S&P fund really starts to run. Because in case we are forming here a double top, this would be horrible. We would see a huge crash in the market happening, and then obviously Bitcoin would crash. So I'm watching this closely because I have big positions open. My FXS position is 200,000, 24,000, over $200,000. My Bitcoin position is $70,000, so this is already $300,000 position. And on Bitcoin, on Binance, I have another $140,000 position on eGold and $128,000 on FXS. So all in all, how much is this? 260,000, 260,000, and here, so I have I'm with over $500,000 in positions right now. So I have over $500,000 in positions, and I have really to watch. In case we are getting rejected at 44,200, I have to close these positions, possibly, because we should see then eGold and FXS dump. So if we are watching FXS right now, we still cannot manage to break this weekly 200 moving average. We have to break this weekly 200 moving average in order to see FXS running to the price target here of first resistance $11 and the next one would be $14. FXS has nice huge news. FXS airdrop confirmed. This is the founder of FXS. He's writing himself. Wait a minute. I have to make it here. Okay, so you see it better. I don't think they are the first ones to do that, right? But regardless, Roger that, stake FXS, earn FXTL points, and airdrops is the plan and the move for Frextel. So this is what I'm telling you. Not in case, FXS will have soon the mainnet launch. And as soon as the mainnet will be launched, there will be a huge official news about an airdrop. And as soon we have an official news regarding an airdrop, it means people should usually buy FXS and stake it, which would theoretically bring FXS to $11 and $14. These are the price targets. So therefore I have here my positions open on FXS, my $500,000 positions. The same is here on eGold. eGold looks amazing bullish. You see here we formed also a golden cross here on eGold, which is nice. We have here this green dot. It looks amazing, and we have 4 days to go until we have a huge announcement, a huge news announcement. Nobody knows what it is about, but we are on this daily 20-50 moving average and monthly 20 moving average. So it's a massive resistance line. As soon as we break it, I'm expecting we see quick pump to $69, which would be 27%. This would be amazing. And the next price target would be $83, 53% from here on, and $102, 87%. So this would be amazing, because on eGold I'm also over $140,000 in a position on eGold, which is $11,000 right now in profits. So let's see, bratans, let's